Rosmah Mansor has applied for the Court of Appeal to temporarily release her passport. This is so that she could travel to Singapore to visit her daughter, Nooryana Najwa Najib. Her passport is currently being held by the criminal court pending the disposal of her appeal against her graft conviction and sentencing in the solar graft case. This would be the third time that Rosmah has applied for the release of her passport. In 2021, the High Court in Kuala Lumpur allowed the temporary release of her passport so she could go to Singapore and give support to Nooryana, who was about to give birth. In March of this year, the Court of Appeal allowed the temporary release of her passport so she could be in Singapore from March 23rd to May 5th to visit her daughter and grandson who was unwell. According to the latest application, Rosmah is seeking a temporary passport return from June 6 to July 7th this year so she can visit Nooryana, who is residing in Singapore with her husband, Kazakhstan national Daniyar Kizikbayev. In her application, Rosmah said she had never failed and or been negligent to attend court mentions and trials without reasonable explanations and or excuses. She also pointed out that the court had on the previous two occasions in 2021 and in March this year allowed her similar applications, which also did not raise any objections from the prosecution. According to the application, the matter is fixed for a hearing before the Court of Appeal tomorrow.